Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. So next thing in this video series of how to protect your website from hackers is that you can change your WordPress login link, which is default as WP admin, which is same for all the websites, so hacker knows where to attempt the password. So he can attempt different password and attempt a brute force attack and can crack your password using bots and things. So let's go to the website and see how we can change this link. So we are using solid security plugin for this that we have set up earlier. So we will click on settings, we will click on allow. So here to change the backend link you can go to advanced, and here you can scroll and here you will see this hide backend thing. You can open this, click on hide backend, and here you can change the link. So it's WP login. For now we can change it to anything like maybe KM login or maybe anything just like that. So we can scroll down and click on save. So now let's copy this link and open in incognito, and when we will type WP admin over here, now here you can see this page does not seems to be exist because we have changed the link. So now it's login from KM login. So here is the WP admin screen now. So that's the best thing that you can do, that you can hide your backend.